Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use green screen on Instagram Reels. So if you want to use green screen on your Instagram Reel or you want to change your Instagram Reels background, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to use green screen on Instagram Reel, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Then click on the plus button. Come here and select Reel. Once you selected Reel here, you cannot use green screen by uploading your Instagram Reel. To use green screen, click on this camera icon. Then you'll be prompted to record your Reel. So it's either you use the front facing camera or the back camera. Now to use green screen, go ahead and click on this drop menu. Then you should see green screen here. Click on that. Now once you click on green screen, you should see add a photo or video for your background. Then you can just go to your gallery, select the photo or video you want to set as your Instagram background. Then once you selected that, then that is what you're going to have, just like I have behind me. And then you can now go ahead, record your Instagram Reel. You can also come back here, choose another background. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on the shutter button. And if you want to use Instagram background itself, use this button, switch to the Instagram background you want to use. You can see that. And then once you are done, just go ahead and click on the shutter button to start recording your Instagram Reel. You see that? So once you're done recording your Instagram Reel just like this, hit the button to stop. Then this is your Instagram Reel. You can now click on the next button. Then next thing is go ahead and click on next. You can also edit the video to cut out unwanted part, add audio, add clip. So scroll through, add text, and then the rest of them. And once you are done, click on the send button and then click on share. And once you click on the share button, this is going to add the Instagram Reel to your Instagram Reel. So that is basically how to use green screen on Instagram Reel. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.